Good afternoon, Internet. Today I'm testing out my brand new audio setup and I'm super excited about it. So let me show you how it works. It has pretty decent audio quality at low speeds. And provides pretty good engine sound as well. But the best thing about it is the convenience it provides, because it's quite easy to get started recording and stop recording. So I will stop here and show you the good things about the setup. So here we are just stopped. You can just disconnect the engine and I can just leave the bike. I just take off my helmet for a moment. I have my helmet in my hands and I have my motorbike standing next to the road, and I just demonstrate you how easy it is to get on the bike. I just put my helmet on and I do have instantly my helmet mic working and recording. I have a connector on my helmet which I just connect now. It allows me to connect my engine mic as soon as I get on the bike. So I have this connector down right here, and I have another connector in my jacket. I just connect them and we are ready to roll. Everything is being recorded in the GoPro, so I can just start and stop recording using a single button press, which is pretty awesome. I don't have to sync the audio tracks in post. Just let's go. So if you are interested in the details of the setup, I can show you all. So please give me a thumbs up and subscribe so you won't miss the other episode about that. I have this nipple here. I just put it down there so it's hidden.